Welcome back, guys. Today we have a Toyota Tacoma 2008. We are going to change the rear brake pad. Here is the brake pad we have. We get from the Napa. You can get from eBay, Amazon, online, AutoZone, anywhere. You can see that's the brake pad. We leave the truck on the jack, ready to remove the tire. Okay, so we remove the wheel. Now the time is remove the drum. That is very tricky. Please make sure do not use the hammer, screwdriver to hit on the back. This thing have the two screws here. You will see I add one screw here, one screw here. Okay, so just add this screw. Use the 13mm socket, insert this screw and tight these two. Okay, that's the special space they have every drum. As soon you're going to tight, this drum is keep coming slowly on your side. It will come out. Stay with me. As you can see, I'm going to tight the both, and that is going to take the drum off. Easy way. It start coming out. If you will use the hammer, you will make a mess and you have to change the whole drum and everything. They make this thing specially to remove the drum. It almost came out. You can see I tied all the way and the drum leave almost like a one finger space. I'm going to take off, then I'll remove. So you can see I remove the both screws, one from here, one from here, and you see how much is the difference make it. It's now moving, and I'll take it out. Okay, so that I remove the drum. So you can see the brake pad, how thin is that. That actually is already messed up. So make sure before we have to remove the parts, it's very complicated. Use the guide. So I will prefer to take some pictures like these angles, and make a small video so you can remember where the part came from, where the part will go. So that is very complicated part to remove the parts. You can remove, but that's really complicated to fix it back. So just make sure make a really good picture. Before we will start, we will untight this rear brake. You can see that is here, and let me move it like this way, and we can use the screwdriver to keep it pushing down, to keep it tightening like this way. You can see that is keep moving. We will tight this thing all the way to back in so we can remove the spring, then we will bring it back as needed. Just stay with me. Here you can see we take all the pictures. That is very tricky, so take the to show you guys every single thing, but we already replaced the new pad, and that is the old pad we already take. So just make sure I make a small color here so I can remember how long I have to unscrew this thing. When you're done, make sure all the lock is good, the seal is good, the spring is good. That is good to go. So I just make the yellow color to make it pretty. When I will do the other side, I will make it yellow also. That color looks really good.